Unboxing the kitchen equipment with me, my lovely. So, guys, I'm super excited. Peep the excitement now. Well, me. So, I'm super excited. I really wanted a non-stick pot, like a new set, and I got it. I had to unbox it with you people. So, guys, this is it. So, this is my new set of pots. It's an 8-way cookware set. I really love this so much. Yes, it comes with a certificate. A cookware comes with a certificate. Like a diamond. So, I'm really excited. Like, I really wanted this, and Jehovah did it for me. And it comes with the spatula, it comes with the tongue. This is me trying to trying to install it, but I could not install it that night. Of I shot this video say 12 midnight when it broke light. So this is me. Like, this is the biggest of the pot. It's about 28 centimeters. Then the other one is about 26 centimeters. Then the other one is about 24 centimeters. The pan is also about 28 centimeters if I'm correct. And I'm showing all of the certificate that comes with it. Like, this is the first time I'm getting a new set of pot and it comes with the certificate. So, guys, I really love this. I'm trying to install it, but I could not get the direction. But I'll do this later. So, guys, what are we going to be making first in our new request set? Is it going to be swallow or rice? I'm going to be needing your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.